Question number 6 of exercise 17b. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is given 6.5 centimeter, AC is 3.4 centimeter, and the altitude we have to draw AL, and that should be from point A, and it should be of 2.5 centimeter. Then after that we have to draw the altitude from C and we have to measure it. Okay, so this we have to do as construction in question number 6 of exercise 17b. So let us do first rough sketch. So rough sketch we will be doing first. So, okay, now you take AB is the base given. AB is the base given. So we will drop AB as base. Okay, and that should be of 6.5 centimeter. Next, we have to draw an altitude. We have to draw an altitude from A. Altitude means it should be of 90 degree. It should be of 90 degree. So at point A, we have to make here 90 degree angle. Okay, so here it should be 90 degree angle, and somewhat here you take this measurement AL, that is of 2.5 centimeter. Okay, now this is point L we got. Now at this point again you draw altitude or perpendicular, and this length, this will be parallel to AB. Okay, this should be parallel to AB. So for drawing parallel or for drawing straight line, I recommend you to draw here 90 degree angle. So at point L also you draw 90 degree angle. Now see, measurement of AC is given in the question, that is of 3.4 centimeter. So somewhat here AC will lie, and this should be of 3.4 centimeter. Okay, now you join this BC. Now you measure this, how much BC is coming. So whatever here is coming, let us suppose that X is coming here. So if this is X, so same will be here, because we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. So if BC is X, then same will be the length of AD. So we will make here AD again of that X centimeter only. So like this you will get ABCD as a parallelogram. Okay, so let us start its final construction. So first of all you draw here base. You draw here base, and that should be of 6.5 centimeter. So draw here base 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is AB, and this is of 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now let's pay attention. We have to draw a perpendicular from point A, and that should be of 90 degree. So let us draw perpendicular. So drawing perpendicular from A is very easy. Only you have to draw there 90 degree angle. So take any small measurement in your compass, any small radius in your compass, and put your center over point A. Okay, put your center over point A and draw a semicircular arc like this. After drawing this, from this point you draw another arc over itself. Again from this point you draw second arc over itself. Now we want intersection of these two arcs. So one more arc here, and from this point intersect this arc. So when you join this intersection of arcs and this point A, you will get 90 degree angle. So let us join this so that you will get 90 degree angle. So make it something bigger. Okay, or you can measure it by a protractor also. Exactly, it will give us 90 degrees. See, it is exact 90 degree angle that we have obtained through construction. So write down here 90 degree. Okay, now we want this AL. Pay attention over rough sketch. We want this AL, that should be of 2.5 centimeter. So you take compass and measure length 2.5 centimeter. Take radius 2.5 centimeter. Okay, 2.5 centimeter. Now you put your center over point A. Put center over point A and draw an arc over this परपेंडिकुलर. ठीक है, इस परपेंडिकुलर के ऊपर हमने कितने रेडियस का आर्क ड्रॉ किया? 2.5 सेंटीमीटर का. सो यू कैन नेम दिस पॉइंट टू बी पॉइंट L. दिस इज योर पॉइंट L and it is of 2.5 centimeter. This is of 2.5 centimeter. Now we know that in parallelogram what happens, opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. So if here is AB given, so its opposite side will be here and it will be parallel to this AB. But I won't recommend you to draw this parallel line directly with your scale. So here for that drawing parallel line also, we will draw here 90-degree angle on point L. So let us draw 90-degree angle on point L. So again the same steps for drawing 90-degree angle. Take L as center and any smaller radius. You make a semicircular arc like this. Now intersect it with the same radius. Don't disturb the radius and intersect it 2 times over itself. Yes. Then draw an arc like this. And from this point, draw an arc like this. So we got intersection of 2 arcs. So now you join this intersection and point L. So join intersection of 2 arcs and point L and you extend it further. Okay? Extend it further so that this will be parallel to this AB. Okay? Now you can see that this line will be parallel to AB as well as we have made here 90-degree angle. So this is also 90-degree angle. Now you see question again. AC's length is given 3.4 centimeter. So you take 3.4 again radius. Take 3.4 radius. Put your compass over scale and take here 3.4 measurement. 3.4. Yes, now we have taken radius to be 3.4 and we have kept it over center A and we have intersected here over this parallel line which we have made just now. Now this is the intersection of this line and this arc. So we can name this intersection as point C. Now you join this AC. Join this AC. Okay. Now C point we got, B point we are having. So we can join this BC. So after joining BC, we can measure length of BC also. BC is 5 centimeter. In rough sketch, I told you that it will be it will come of some length and it is coming to be 5 centimeter. So we can write down here 5 centimeter. Okay. So now again come to the properties of parallelogram. We know that opposite sides are equal. So if BC is 5 centimeter, so same will be AD. AD भी आपका 5 centimeter आएगा. So now you again take radius to be 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. After measuring BC, we came to know that the length of BC is 5. So same will be the length of AD. So take radius to be 5 centimeter. Now put your center over point A and draw an arc over this line. Now here we got intersection. To write down here name D. Next you join this AD. And AD is again of 5 centimeter. AD is again of 5 centimeter. ठीक है? AD 5 है तो BC भी 5 है. Opposite sides are equal. Now if AB is 6.5, then we will get this CD also of 6.5. Yes, we are getting this CD again of 6.5. Exact 6.5 we are getting. So this is 6.5. Next, they have said that draw the altitude from. So we can draw an altitude from C. So we can draw a dotted line over. You can make here 90 degree or you can simply draw a line from C over AB. So dotted line you can make and let us name it CP. Okay, so CP is an altitude from point C. Now you measure this CP. How much it is coming? It is coming 2.5 centimeter. It is coming 2.5 centimeter. So we got this CP also 2.5 centimeter. So CP we got 2.5 centimeter. So this is your answer that they have asked in the question. What is the length of an altitude from C? We have drawn an altitude from C, that is CP, and it is coming to be 2.5 centimeter.